All right, guys. This is just a short video on how to get to your textbooks. I have some instructions here for that, and then just on your homework one for this week, because I've had a couple questions on that. So you should have purchased an unlimited code either from the bookstore or online, and you're going to log in to cengage.com. So right here. And when you get there, it's going to say sign in to access all your materials, or you can create an account. So depending on if you have an account from before, if you did 151, you should have an account with Cengage. So you should be able to log in. Otherwise, you can create an account. After that, you're going to come up to the screen and you're going to find this button. I think it's at the bottom left that says Browse Catalog. You're going to click on that. And then it's going to come up with this search engine or search bar and type in Owen. That is the author of both of our textbooks that we're using. And you are going to use this one, QuickBooks Online for Accounting is one, and you're going to add that to your home. And then the other one, or then it's going to show it was successfully added. And then let me see if the other one, they don't show the other one here. So this one is the online version, and it just shows this blue square, so it's kind of hard to tell that it's the right book. But yes, that is the right book. The other one is the green book, I'm pretty sure that it shows, and it matches the ISBN and the picture in the syllabus. So you're going to add that to your home, and then you are browsing the catalog. If you look at the left here, you can hit My Home, and you would see your books that you have in there. You can browse for other books in here too. If you browse the catalog, you can pick some other books too that you want to look at. So hopefully everybody is into the books within the next day or so. I will probably send out a request for everybody to confirm that they have gotten in the book, just in case somebody's having some difficulties. I want to catch it early and not late. So that's the first thing. The other thing is I am here in Blackboard, and I am under, let me go up here. I'm under Assignments, QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Chapter 1. So this was your list up here. Here is your book. So I'm down at the end. Here is your homework. So for the first piece, you're going to just answer these questions in a Word document, and you should find all of that in here. And you can either read this or you can go into your ebook that you have. So you're going to answer those questions there. You're going to do a matching, and you know, I should give more directions on how to do this. It makes it really difficult to grade when everybody does it differently. So I don't know, there's not a good way here. You could, if you've not done this yet, if you number these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then put the letter with the number, that would probably be one of the easiest ways. So you're going to do that one. And then you've got there's a few more of those. You've got these questions down here for the assignments. You're going to open Larry's Landscape and Garden Supply file that you used in the chapter. So if you read through the chapter, it has you should have QuickBooks Desktop downloaded. And I'm going to go out of all of these files. Let me see. Let me close my company. Okay, so when you open QuickBooks, you should come up with this. Yours should look blank here. I have some files that I've had open. You're going to go to this open sample file, and the company that you were using in chapter 1 is this sample-based service company. So you'll click on that. I have already opened it once. So for me, it might do it again. It wants to download it, and it takes it a while to get it. So mine was really quick because I've done it once. So once you've downloaded it, it's easier to open, but it wants to update the file and stuff. So when it opens, what you're going to do, let me get this to hide. I can move this down a little bit. Up at the top here is what it says, which file you have open. So you're going to want to look at that. I'm running this on Desktop 2020. You're using 2019. I just happened to open the wrong program. I'm running both 19 and 20 on my computer, but it should not look any different. So, and then you should be able to answer these questions. So once you're in this file, so let's go back here. What was for the first one? Open the company, practice opening, closing, and printing, create a customer balance summary report with this date. And it wants it collapsed. So we go back here, customer balance. So I'm under reports. I wonder. I'm not real sure how it showed you to do this in the book. I normally go to reports right here. There is a report button on the side that you can use also. So under reports and under customer, I'm not sure. I'm hoping that you can see this. This window, the drop down window. Customers and customer balance summary. And then it does show you your reports, and up here is a collapse. So it made it much smaller. If you expand it, let's see, what does it look different? Okay, it's giving some totals and some different, if there's different jobs under them. So it wants it collapsed. So now we have our report. It wants a date in there. So we need to put that date that it had in the instructions. And then when you go to print this, you're gonna go up here to print, and you're gonna save it as a PDF. So I would make a folder on your computer that is for QuickBooks for this class. And then whether you wanna do a separate folder for each chapter, that might be a good idea. Make a folder for QuickBooks Desktop and then each folder in there, and you can save the reports in there. So I would let you know, name this report. I'm not sure how it'll automatically save, but you could do it as customer balance summary, chapter 1. That way you can keep track of the reports, and then you can find where you have saved them, because that is the hard part. If you hit save as PDF, you can have your library, and you could put them in documents is where I would put them. But you can make a new folder in there that's for this class and put them all in one place so that you can find them. So the one other thing, so that was the first question. So you're gonna print here. And in this, my copy, I underlined which ones you're gonna print. So you're gonna turn in that one there. You're gonna print that 1, 2, 3 reports there. I did have questions. This accountant help, and they could not find the topic. It would not search for what they were looking for. If you get the help window open and take a screen print of that, I am fine with that. It doesn't have to be something specific in that help window. Just so that you know where that help is what that question is for. And then you're going to write out the answers to these questions. So there's on part 3, you have 4 questions to answer, and you can just look those answers up in that Larry's landscaping. So you're in that same company file. So I hope that helps you get through your homework this week. If you have questions, make sure you let me know. I have several emails from today that people have just got it started and have questions. And my hope is to get to those tonight, and then I can start on the ones for tomorrow. So if you have questions, let me know. Have a great night.